In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide done epics on a Jira roadmap. Whether you're looking to clear the clutter or simply want to focus on what's currently in progress, this quick guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. The first step is to navigate to the project you want to work with. This might be a project you're managing or perhaps one you've been assigned to assist with. Open your Jira dashboard and locate that specific project. Don't worry if you're not immediately familiar with the layout. Once you click into the project, everything will start coming together. Now that you're inside your project, you'll want to head over to the timeline feature. You can find this by looking at the top navigation panel on your screen. Click on Timeline. This is where you'll be able to see a broader view of your initiative, reviewing the various tasks that are scheduled and their respective statuses. It gives you that fantastic bird's eye view we all appreciate when managing long-term projects. The next step involves customizing your view settings. This is a straightforward process. Simply look to the top right corner of your screen. There should be an option labeled View Settings. Give it a click. A menu will drop down, offering various options you can tweak to adjust how you view your project timeline. This area is quite handy if you're looking to tailor the visual layout to better suit your immediate needs. Now here comes the critical step in hiding those completed epics. Within the View Settings menu you just opened, look for an option that says Show Completed. This is typically a toggle, just a simple switch. By default it might be set to On, meaning completed epics or tasks are being displayed on your roadmap. To clear these from your view and focus solely on active and pending items, slide this toggle to Off. Once you do that, you'll notice that all the completed epics will be hidden from your timeline, giving you a cleaner, more streamlined view of current priorities. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've managed to clean up your Jira roadmap, allowing you and your team to maintain focus on ongoing work without the distraction of completed items. Remember that you can always reverse this process if you need to check on past epics for reporting or review purposes by toggling the Show Completed option back to On. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in making your workflow a little smoother. If you found this guide useful, feel free to share it with your team or others who might benefit. Until next time, keep your projects moving forward efficiently.